High humidity in air conditioning systems creates discomfort and damages property, so removing moisture efficiently is essential. Air conditioners remove humidity by cooling air below its dew point, so moisture condenses on the evaporator coil, and then that condensate must be carried away through a clear drain line to prevent backups and microbial growth. To optimize moisture removal, set the thermostat to a steady temperature rather than rapid swings, because constant operation at moderate settings yields more consistent dew point control. Clean or replace the air filter monthly, or as recommended to maintain proper airflow across the coil. Restricted airflow raises coil temperature and reduces condensation. Keep the evaporator coil clean. A fouled coil insulates and reduces heat transfer, so less moisture condenses and the system short cycles. Ensure return and supply vents are unobstructed and balanced, so the system moves the designed volume of air through the coil for effective dehumidification. Consider a standalone dehumidifier for spaces with persistent humidity above 50% relative humidity, and position it centrally with its drip routed to a drain or condensate pump if needed. Three common problems are clogged condensate drain lines, which cause water to back up and trigger overflow switches or staining. Clear the line with a wet vacuum at the access point, or run a cup of distilled white vinegar through it monthly. Second is undersized equipment or oversized short cycling units, which cool air too quickly without running long enough to remove moisture. The fix is load calculation and right sizing by a qualified technician, and adding a dedicated dehumidifier if the load is high. Third is poor airflow from dirty filters, blocked vents, or failing fans, which reduces coil contact and dehumidification. Resolve this by maintaining filters, clearing obstructions, and checking fan operation and ductwork for leaks and proper insulation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who match their project needs, and lets contractors find work by posting services and responding to homeowner requests. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences.